know she like it for me. I'm a flyer like Aladdin on a pussy golden blessing. Why she did it? Cause she lied it. What we do here is so discreet. If you ask me, I know nothing. She's something on my dick. I know she like it, but she's a whore. I know she like it.